Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use the tally counter on your Samsung Galaxy S20 series. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And then, what you want to do is swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on displayed. And then, we're going to go down and tap on edge screen. Then tap on edge panels. Make sure it is switched on. And then tap on tools, make sure tools is selected, and then tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Now to use the tally counter, you swipe out across to open up your edge panel, and then swipe across until you find tools and tap on tally counter. And here you can turn on vibration or not, and you can also set a target, say 200, and tap on done, and then just tap on the plus or minus button to start counting. There's also a reset button. If you tap on that, it will reset back to 0. So what is the idea of using this tally counter? Well, recently during the pandemic, when I go into my local hardware stores, there is a limit of say 200 people. So this is where the tally counter becomes useful. You count the number of people going to your stores and the number of people going out of the stores. When there is a maximum of say 100 people in the stores, you can then stop the customer from coming in until you got other people coming back out. So say let's say the stores has a limit of 70 people. When you got 70 people going to the store, you can then stop other customer, asking them to wait when there are other people coming out. So let's say you got 3 people coming out, then you can let the other coming in. So this is how the tally counter can become useful, by counting the people coming in or coming out of the stores. And in particularly, I have seen a lot of the stores lately using the tally counter to count the number of people coming in and out of the stores. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And also, if you set a target, say 70, and then when I reach the 70 limit, it will vibrate, and you can see the color is in blue, and now it's going to red. So that's the limit, and that's below the limit. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.